Hey guys, this is Mark from MKsEnglish.com, and today we're going to do an advanced English listening quiz. This is from my book, English for Advanced Learners, C1, a step-by-step course for everyday English, available on Amazon. And today's listening quiz is for people who want to go from upper intermediate to advanced English levels. I'm going to read a story. You can listen to it as many times as you want, but I'd like you to answer these 4 questions. Question number 1. Why was the writer panicking at the train station? Once more. Why was the writer panicking at the train station? Question number 2. What had the writer already done before breakfast? Once more. What had the writer already done before breakfast? And feel free to pause this video or podcast, whichever you're listening to, and write down these questions if you want to. There's nothing wrong with that. Number 3. What 2 actions happened at almost the same time? Once more. What 2 actions happened at almost the same time? All right, last question, number 4. What long-term change has the writer made since that day? Once more. What long-term change has the writer made since that day? Okay, here we go. Hope you're ready. Last summer, I traveled to Italy for a conference. But the most unforgettable part of the trip had nothing to do with work. On the morning of my flight, I had already packed my bags the night before, so everything was ready. However, while I was having breakfast, I suddenly realized that I had left my passport in the office. By the time I reached the train station, it was too late to go back. I was panicking when fortunately a colleague called to say that she had found the passport and was bringing it to me. Meanwhile, the train was delayed, which gave her just enough time to meet me. No sooner had she handed me the passport than the train doors opened. Eventually, I arrived at the airport, exhausted but relieved. Ever since that day, I have always checked my passport twice before leaving home. All right, so that's the story called A Day I'll Never Forget. If you want to listen to it more than once, there's nothing wrong with that. Go ahead. Okay, if you're ready, let's check your answers. Question number 1. Why was the writer panicking at the train station? Well, it's because he suddenly realized that he had left his passport in the office. Number 2. What had the writer already done before breakfast? He had already packed his bags. Number 3. What 2 actions happened at almost the same time? His colleague handed him the passport, and the train doors opened. Number 4. What long-term change has the writer made since that day? Well, ever since that day, he has always checked his passport twice before leaving home. How'd you do? I hope you enjoyed this story. If you want to hear more, or if you really want to test your grammar skills, check out my book, English for Advanced Learners, C1, a step-by-step course for everyday English, available on Amazon. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.